Hi, I'm Yoko Yamamoto from the Bon-odori Dance Festival for Peace. I'd like to invite you to a Bon-odori live remote performance workshop on Friday, June 19th from 5:30 to 7 p.m. It's an online Taiko drum performance and workshop presented by Taiko drumming instructor Stuart Payton from Burlington, Taiko. Then from 7 to 8:30 p.m., it's an online Japanese folk dance performance and workshop with Japanese folk dance instructor Kevin Suzuki Mooney and Momo Suzuki from New York Japanese Folk Dance Institute. That's a Bon-odori live remote performance workshop on Friday, June 19th from 5:30 to 8:30 p.m. The registration is open to 2:30 p.m., 3 hours prior to the event. It's hosted by Cornell Creative Arts Center and is a free event with a suggested donation. To register and get more information, click on Community Events at cornellcreativeartscenter.com.